Hi friends, welcome back. I am so excited it's Halloween. Holy moly, how did that happen? Did you dress up for Halloween? Did you go out trick-or-treating? Let me know in the comments down below if you dressed up and what did you dress up as? I feel like it was just yesterday I was planting my 2022 garden and now there are only 2 months left in the year. I just buttoned up my garden for the year, so I have some straggling produce I need to take care of. My freezers are packed to the gills with not much room for anything else. November is also a great time to stock up on pantry staples and holiday foods when you see a sale. Stock up on the sale price, preserve it so that you can enjoy it for months down the road. I figured I can't be the only one who's going through this right now. And let's face it, we can motivate each other. So I created the Nothing Left Behind November Challenge. The goal is to preserve something every day in the month of November. You keep me accountable, I keep you accountable. That's the goal. This challenge is inspired by Jessica at Three Rivers Homestead Every Little Bit Counts Challenge. She runs her challenge in the month of August. I just got married and we got married in September, so unfortunately in August I was a little too busy to even tend to my garden, much less try to preserve something every single day because we did a lot of DIY for our wedding. And actually I'll probably have some pictures and stuff coming up when I get my pictures back from the photographer, so I'll go over that later. But anyway, back to the challenge. Don't get overwhelmed or let your anxiety get you here. It's not that serious. Preserving just means freezing, canning, dehydrating, freeze drying, pickling, or even fermenting. So preserving could be as simple as finding butter on sale. You find butter on sale, we know that those prices keep skyrocketing. So buy several pounds. Put it in the freezer for later. It's that simple. Now you've preserved butter for a year, 6 months, 3 months, but you've locked in that sale price for a couple months. Stock up on it and freeze it. Or when you're cooking dinner, triple it. Make 3 batches of dinner and then freeze the other 2. Now you have dinner for 2 more nights. Do that a couple of times during the month, and guess what? Now you have a month's worth of food preserved, ready to go. And it's fast food. All you have to do is pull it out of the freezer, pop it into the oven, bam, dinner's ready. Put it in the crock pot, let it cook all day. When you come home from work, dinner's ready for you. Put the extra meals in the freezer for easy dinner nights. Now, those extra ingredients don't spoil in the back of the fridge, or as I call it, the fridge graveyard, where food goes to die. Did you find a great deal on apples you just couldn't pass up, so you bought 200 pounds? Oh wait, that was me. Challenge yourself to see how many ways you can preserve them. I will be your inspiration and help you. Remember, if you show up for even half of this challenge, you're still preserving 15 things, and that's pretty amazing. It all adds up. I would love to see what you preserve. If you have a YouTube channel or an Instagram, use the hashtag #NothingLeftBehindNovember so we can be inspired by you. I can't wait to see all of your ideas. If you guys would like to follow along, please like this, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you get all of the notifications every time I post a video. I'm going to be posting a video every single day, so you guys can follow along with me or do your own thing. Use the hashtag if you do your own thing or follow along. Use the hashtag and let me know what you guys are doing. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Happy Halloween!